Are you ready for some hunting on the Tommy Wilcox Show?
Tommy Wilcox Outdoors is brought to you by Alabama Credit Union. Feel good about your money. Louisiana Farmers Warehouse. Go by and see my good friend Darryl Foray pick you up a Mahindra tractor or one of his top leading mowers. Tuscaloosa Toyota. One price, one place. Glencoe Equipment. If you're in the Gonzales, Louisiana area, go by and see my good friend Todd Jerby. He has multiple tractors to pick from, as does mowers. Top Shot Deer and Turkey Mix by Faithway Alliance. Artec Tractor and Equipment in Nauvoo, Alabama. Greg can handle all your tractor needs of any brand, along with some of the finest mowers in the industry. Nelson Glass for all your contract and residential glass needs. Music courtesy of country icon Hank Williams Jr. Hey folks, welcome to today's show. We're down with Lloyd, Landry, Outcast Fishing Charters in Dulard, Louisiana. We'll do us a little redfish and trout fishing. I got Greg Albritton with me from Artec Tractors in Nauvoo.
Yeah.
Greg, good to have you down here,
Good to be
man.
here. Great to be here.
I know we've done a bunch of shows in the past, hunting and all, but this
That's right.
is your first
fishing trip.
redfish, trout
Looking forward
fishing
to it,
thing
yeah.
down here in Louisiana. We got your son and
Garrett.
your son's friend, right,
Yep,
with us
yep.
today.
Garrett and Jackson's with us today. So
Garrett and Jackson. So we're gonna try to get y'all some fish on film, and we also have a couple of your salesmen too, right?
yeah, that's right. Fishing in another boat.
Jason and Jeremy.
That's right.
Okay.
Yep.
So we're gonna maybe jump in their boat a little later and show you some footage from those guys. So sit tight. We're gonna see if the Artec boys can knock some fish out in Louisiana.
Good morning, folks. Captain Lloyd, Landry, Outcast Fishing Charters. We're down here fishing in Dulard, Louisiana, just south of Houma, and we really got racked by Hurricane Ida, but we made a good comeback. Stores back open, all our facilities are back up and running, and the fishing's been good going into the fall. This morning, these boys we got from up in North Alabama, we got them in a little fog lock, but we're beating the bank, catching a few trout and reds, and once the fog lifts, we'll make a little move and head a little bit further out. But man, come on down to Dulard and come get you some, because the fishing's been good, and it's just gonna stay that way through the winter. Here you go. You might take it. Come on up in there. Now, you ate fried fish last night?
That's what we was eating.
That's what you was eating. Were they any good?
That was great. That was great.
Now, they have to be 12 inches here in Louisiana. So he is 12 and a quarter. So guess what, brother? You broke the ice,
All right.
broke the fog. We're gonna put him in the morgue right here, and hopefully I got about 100 of his partners to go in there with him. A lot of people use fluorocarbon. I ran out, but a lot of people use a lot lighter leader. I won't lie to you. In my world as a guide, I need like something that can bring in a gorilla and not pop. So I just use a 40 pound mono leader, about 18 inches long, with a 1/8 ounce jig head. Just tie a little simple Palomar knot on there. Trying to get him back in the water before his partner catches all the fish in front of him. Your dentist doesn't want you to do that. And we're gonna use this little white little squid. And you're back locked and loaded, ready to go.
Yes, sir.
Got a lot of that. Found us another little trout. He ain't big, but he's a keeper. Our fish only have to be 12 inches. I think he's a keeper. We're gonna check him on the board of death. I hope he's a keeper so we can eat it. Oh yeah, baby. All right. People go all the time, man, y'all keep little bitty fish. They're not complaining when they're clean in a Ziploc bag and they're able to eat them, you know. Oh, you got it?
Yep.
Oh, came off. Oh, you got it. You got it. That one right there is definitely small.
He may come off.
He came off. All right. There you go. Swing him on in there.
That's good trout.
There you go.
Hurry.
There you go.
These sixes will flip
All right.
off of you then.
All right, boys. We only need 100 more. Good thing we just got out here 6 minutes ago. Woo. They're not big today, but we're gonna take them. Male trout, he's grunting. They all came out the same cookie cutter, 12 1/4 inches. But they all fit the same Ziploc bag all together. We don't discriminate.
All right, folks, we're going to take a quick commercial break. We'll be right back with you, fishing with Artec, Outcast Fishing Charters in Louisiana. Don't want to miss it. Stay tuned.
If there's a new mower in your future, you really need to visit the folks at Artec Tractor in Jasper. With brands like Bobcat, Cub Cadet, Gravely, Spartan, and Toro, they can help you find the mower to fit your needs. They also have a full parts and service department with factory-trained technicians to support you after the sale. Located on Highway 5 just north of Jasper, on Facebook, or at artectractor.com. Experience, selection, and friendly service are the reason customers keep coming back to Artec Tractor.
Wouldn't it be nice if you could feel this good about your money, even after you grow up? You can with Alabama Credit Union. We offer easy, everyday banking and great rates on loans for real life. Plus, we help make the community stronger through initiatives like secret meals for hungry children. Because we're not just here to help with money matters. We're here for the things that matter to you. Alabama Credit Union. Feel good about your money.
Faithway Alliance has been blending Top Shot deer and turkey mix since 2009 in Gunnersville, Alabama. Top Shot plot mixes provide deer and turkeys a high quality, nutritional forage for both winter and spring months. All Top Shot blends are coated with Accelagro to promote healthy seed growth and increase your crop yields. Please contact your local ag retailer or call Faithway Alliance for all your Top Shot needs.
Hello, I'm Patrick Hall, owner and operator of Hall's Feed and Seed, located in downtown Mountville. This location is under new ownership, yet we still have over 100 years of experience under our roof. Here at Hall's, we strive to serve our customers and community for all your home, garden, farm, and recreational needs. We offer a variety of products from pet foods to highway blends to deer mixes. Come by and see us at Hall's Feed and Seed.
Y'all come see us at Hall's Feed and Seed.
Hey, this is Hank Williams Jr. I can skin a buck, I can run a trot line. When you go to the woods, bring your game face.
Game Face calls. To find out more about these new and exciting products, go to GameFaceCalls.com, TommyWilcox.com, or check your local retailer.
Oh, good. That's a good one. All right. Don't reel it off with it too if you can. It's all good. It'll break the tip. So it was in April. I came here and I mean, look, if you don't like have this marked, you'll run right over it and won't know it's here. Fairly, boy. Look, I was fuming mad. And anyway, I mean, there's nothing you can do. That's a good fish there, Pun. Big, fat, sexy trout. You got a hard head. Me. You got him? Oh, good, bro. Good fast trout. You better feed the whole friggin' shop. Got a pretty old yellowmouth. Woo! Old dude only got one snaggletooth. But yeah, people try to lip him. You don't want to lip that fish. I mean, he's got teeth at the bottom, big old fang at the top. Somebody's got a fish. Let they get a little cattle pry and I'll poke you when you. Well, this ain't fishing, boys. This is catching. Tommy said it though. We find them. They all in one bucket.
All great size.
Ooh, good. Triple. Dang, this is a bad old trout. This is awesome. Merry Christmas, boys. Merry Christmas. A lot of people don't think the trout are out here in December.
Oh, I gotta get it.
Oh, that's a stud muffin, bro. There you go. Look, just drop him to the floor. I'll get him. There you go, baby. Golly. 3.5 pound trout.
They wouldn't come up the whole time.
How about we take your picture?
Yeah, that's good out of there.
Put this on.
What's the proper way to hold it? That's the best way.
All right, so take your right hand, put it right in there like that, and hold him just like that. Get your old shaggy hair all pretty. There you go. Oh, I'm gonna
Turn him sideways.
let's see. Let me see, make sure I don't have nothing incriminating in the background.
Alright, how we going, Greg?
Going great, like it. Oh man, this is awesome. This is awesome. Yep.
Boat, 20 foot deep. That's a good stuff right there. That's
I just don't catch a lot of
That's legal in any state on the Gulf Coast.
in Mexico.
Yep. I got one buddy. He's won some real money. He's the smallest one we caught here, but he's. Yeah. Throw to the point. Throw to the point. He throws the bait to the point. It rubs the lotion on his face, so the sunscreen protects us from the evil sun. On the inside of that structure, so I'm gonna drift off of here and I'm gonna get up on the top side of it. And, better than I thought. There's some pretty fish. Poor fish came up inside to spend the winter all nice and relaxed, and what we do, taking them home to Santa Claus. What's better than fried fish dinner for Christmas? We actually do something crazy. We ball crawfish. I've done it for 10 years now. Ball 2 sacks of crawfish. If you don't think your family likes you, ball crawfish for Christmas. They all come in your house. $82, so you ready to do 190? Try to hold us right here. Dude,
Lord, if people want to come enjoy this swim, how they get you?
Man, look us up. You can look us up on Facebook, Outcast Fishing Charters, or you can call us at 504-912-8291. We fish 12 months a year. Our fishing is great. We have a great camp. We can accommodate your food, lodging, or I can help you get some other accommodations. But my son and I fish full time, and y'all come on down and come enjoy some of what South Louisiana has to offer. We're blessed. We're able to fish 12 months a year, and the fishing is really good. So come on down and come get you some.
There we go. I just jumped right off the hook.
There you go.
Good muffin there, partner. Come on up in here.
Whoa. Swallowed.
No. That's a good fish.
Get there, Lloyd. Little picture there.
Whoever edits this is gonna be throwing up because we throwing fish at Tommy. He's running around like a chicken with his head cut off, which is a good thing because that means we're smashing the fish.
Garrett, y'all having a good time, man?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah, no, that fish is it's a nice one, but he's in that current. The tide is rolling right here. Man, that's pretty. That is gonna be some good groceries, boys. That is, there you go. I mean, right in front of you. Got it, partner?
Next.
Wouldn't it be nice if you could feel this good about your money, even after you grow up? You can with Alabama Credit Union. We offer easy, everyday banking and great rates on loans for real life. Plus, we help make the community stronger through initiatives like secret meals for hungry children. Because we're not just here to help with money matters. We're here for the things that matter to you. Alabama Credit Union. Feel good about your money.
Looking for complete and cost-effective container solutions? Container Reconditioners LLC is the best in the business. We are a full-service container management and supply company, specializing in metal, plastic, drums, and IBCs. We service Florida, Georgia, Alabama, South Carolina, and Tennessee. All our containers are sterilized and sanitized and leak tested at 200 degrees for 7 minutes. Not to mention, we have a $5 million pollution product liability insurance cover. We guarantee you quality and great service.
Over the past decade, car shopping has changed more than anyone would have imagined. That's why with our customers' input, Tuscaloosa Toyota developed One Price, One Place. How does it work? We give you our lowest price first. It's posted in the window of every car or just 2 clicks away at TuscaloosaToyota.com. It's the simplest, most hassle-free way to buy. One price, one place, only at Tuscaloosa Toyota and TuscaloosaToyota.com.
For over 20 years, people have trusted Artec Tractor for their tractor or construction equipment needs. With brands like Bobcat, Mahindra, and Massey Ferguson, Artec Tractor can help you find the right solution for your farm or the job site. Artec Tractor has a full parts and service department with factory-trained technicians to support you after the sale. Located on Highway 5 just north of Jasper, on Facebook or at artectractor.com. Experience, selection, and friendly service are the reason customers keep coming back to Artec Tractor.
Yes. That is nice. Oh, secret spot, Fish Bayou. This is one of the biggest community holes on the coast.
There we go.
There you go. There's a bull red. There's a bull red. All right.
You got to keep your pole up.
You're all right.
Don't give it slack, man.
Woo! Dad's been working out. Got them guns. We just gotta watch him by them poles, but you ought to be all right. Get him in about 4:30. Being a smart aleck, I just want to make sure he don't go to that pile. Is he going to that pile? Don't go to that pile. Is he going to that pile? No, he's not. All right.
Up high there.
You all right? That's big.
Daddy gonna need to take a little break there after this. See that boat in a minute and he's fixing to take off.
Sorry, I got you standing. The bag is supposed to be in that hole.
I'm trying to get him around here. I think it's big.
All right, well look boys, if y'all want, y'all go to the back. Y'all can cast that way. Cast back out that way. Dad's up here in the front, getting skull drugged by the old bull red.
Here he comes.
It's always good for the boss man to get the big daddy.
Got it?
That was nice of you boys to let your daddy catch up.
Yeah, I seen it. I wanted to say it.
Oh, that's a good one. Let's get him in the net there, baby.
Man, he's got a bunch of spots on him too. He's beautiful. Come on, partner, turn your head this way. Oh, I got him.
Oh, man.
That is a stud there, cuz. Congratulations.
Thank
He beats a monster, Greg.
That's awesome. All right, so you gotta hold that thing up like a picture.
You think he'll be able to?
No.
I can't. He's kicking my butt right now. Right where I want to grab him, he's got the hook. Wow. All right, I need those. Yes, sir, right there. Thank you. That's why you don't stick your fingers in his mouth. You saw him just chomp down on me? All right. All right, Daddy-o. Which hand's your strongest?
Neither.
Neither?
Both.
Definitely have to grab him with two.
Yeah, you want him on the right hand or left?
Lord, if you can stay
want
in
your
there
right?
with him now.
Yeah, I
if
think
you want.
It don't matter whichever you want. No, right where my hand is. Right where my left hand is. Your left hand where my hand. Oh, you went in the gills. Don't go in the gills.
Left hand.
All right, yeah, you go. You want to stay. There you go. And then turn that hand the other way. There you go. Come side. You got it? He ain't no slouch there.
All right, folks, that's going to do it for this week's show. Greg, congratulations on the big old.
That's awesome.
We tore the trout up, got a couple of big old bull reds. Garrett, Jackson, thank y'all for coming, man.
Thank you.
Folks, if you need a tractor, go see Greg and them at Artec Tractor and Equipment in Nauvoo, Alabama. Congrats, buddy.
Thank you.
Gassed up, loaded down, trucking on from town to town. Guns, bows, and a tackle box. Here come Tommy Wilcox. Hitting the water, hitting the woods. That Bama boy sure got it good. Always having too much fun. Lordy, don't y'all wanna come